I think everybody by now must have heard of the company Temu. I think they're trying to compete with Amazon. Who would know? I've brought all sorts of stuff from them, from bloody grinder attachments, stud finders, sandblasting guns. And you know what, guys? Some of this stuff is better than others. I reckon you get about a 50-50 chance of actually getting something that's worthwhile. I'll show you the 3 best tools that I've brought off Temu so far. They're all under $13 and they actually do what they say they do. This is the most expensive one. This is a $13 attachment. Turn this into one of these. So for 12 or 13 bucks, you'd think it's going to be a piece of shit, wouldn't you? So it's pretty simple really. You get this long thing to stick on your angle grinder, and it's actually got a proper bearing on the end. You get a couple of sanding belts with it, an attachment that goes onto your grinder head, and the bits and pieces to put it together. And they even supply you with a couple of different size Allen keys. I'll show you how easy it is to put together. I was quite impressed with this the first time I used it. I was really expecting it to be a piece of junk. Grab your sanding cog thing here and screw it onto the old angle grinder. Yeah! What you need to do first, Pete, is take the bloody guard off it. I'm always forgetting to take shit off, eh? Half the time I friggin' throw these things away. Goes on like that. We've got a little piece that goes on the back. Let's put them on like so. See, it's really simple, just like that. This thing here is actually made out of aluminium and it's spring loaded like that. So if we grab a sanding belt, put it over the drive pulley first, and then compress it like that. Look at that. I reckon that's pretty cool. So let's try it out. Now the next good one I came across was how to turn this into one of these things. Now this adapter cost 10 bucks. I don't know how they make this stuff for $10 actually. So we've got a drill drive rivet gun. It's actually made out of aluminium and steel. I mean, it's pretty solid for 10 bucks. You get an adapter for 4 different size rivets, and they also give you a spare set of jaws. Let me show you how it works. Grab our little rivet gun, got a handle on it. So stick your rivet in the end there, stick them in. Yeehaw! Check it out, guys, I reckon that's really cool. Oh, yes. Just make sure you hold on to the thing, guys, otherwise it's going to smack you in the knuckles. Yeah! Now, if you want to get the rest of the rivet out, you just reverse it. Reverse your drill. And there you go. 10 bucks. Now, the cheapest thing out of the 3 is this cutting disc here. It costs 2 bucks. It's supposed to be able to cut almost anything. Now for 2 bucks, I thought to myself, why don't we give it a go? Let's find out what it'll cut. Just finish my beer first. What do you reckon? $2 disc. Rightio my friends, Pete's going to have a couple of quiet ones in the garage now. Remember to like and subscribe if you love tools like me. Tell me what you think in the comments below. We'll see you next time, eh? Bye.
Pete'sTools.com